Does Lily like it in there?
Yes.
Very much?
Yes.
Jeez. Let me see. Walk with her. Let me see if she likes it. I guess she does. She looks pretty content. Say cheese, Lily. Okay, not so close, but then I lose you on the camera. She's pretty happy. Okay, where are you guys going?
You got that running around?
Walking around.
Just walking around. See you later.
Now can we turn?
Yep. There they go. On a stroll.